What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Wanda in her classic costume from Wandavision. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we're going to start on the left side, starting from the top of our circle. Just going to bring that down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle, come all the way down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, come in and back out, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll add another small circle in the center of the eye for the pupil. Let's tuck this in underneath the highlight, come down, up, and then out. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's go back and give her some thick eyelashes. We're going to start on the inside at the very top, curve up, then bend that down along the side, and we'll just curl that back up toward the tip, come down and in towards the side of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, and then bending that down, curling that up, and come down and in towards the side, and we'll fill the eyelashes in black. Let's move in between the eyes and draw on the nose. We'll start by lining up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center, and start on the left, curve the nose coming down, and then up, move up and draw a short curve going up and down the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to move down and draw on the mouth. Let's start back over on the left, curve the mouth coming down, and then up, and then we'll draw on the upper lip. In the center, move up, start with a point. Here we're going to angle up and out toward the left and right. And then from the top, we're going to come down and then bend that out towards the corners of the mouth. And now we're going to draw on the lower lip. Starting back on the left, step in, curve down, and then back up. Let's go back up and add in the eyebrows. We're going to start on the outside, we're going to curve up, and then down on the inside. Line this up on the right, going up, and then back down. And then from the inside, draw a short angle line going up and in. And then we'll thicken up the eyebrows. Going back to the outside, curve up, and then down on the inside. Let's draw the inside edge of the headpiece. In between the eyebrows, we're going to start with a point. And I'm going to draw a straight angle line going up and out, just up above the eyebrow. Go up, and out to right about there. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. And then from the top, we're going to come down and just bend that in just underneath the eyes. So start on the left, go straight down, and then bend that in. And we'll draw two straight angle lines coming down and in towards the chin. Let's connect the bottom with a curve, coming down underneath the mouth, and then back up. Now we're going to work our way around the outside of the headpiece. Let's start back on the left, we're going to go out, around the side of the head, and then just pull that up. Let's do the same thing on the right, going out, and then up towards the same height. Let's pull this up towards the tip, starting back on the left, curve in and up. And then from here we're going to curve down and in towards the middle. Let's go back to the left. Come down and bend that in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's draw the top of the head in between these 2 points. We're going to start on the left. Just going to add some texture. Going up and then down. Step back. Go up and then down, and then we'll do that one more time. Going up, going out and then down on the right side. Now we're going to come back and finish off the hair after we've drawn in the body. So let's start with the sides. Starting over on the left side, curve the body going out and then down towards the hip, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the same height. And then from here we're going to curve in and then down towards the center point. And then from that center point we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the heels, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Start from the bottom, curve down, and then up towards the left. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. We're going to go up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leave a gap on the inside. And then we'll go back up to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left. Come straight down, and then bend that in towards the top of the foot. Now I'm going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. Let's take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And then halfway down the leg, we're going to add the edge of the boot. We're going to come down and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's move back up to the top. We're going to step in, just follow that same curve, going out and then down with a short line. And I'll pull this in and then down in the middle. In and bend that down. And then we'll add a ribbon underneath the chin, right in the middle, curve out and then down toward the left and right. Flatten off the end with a short line, and then we'll follow that same curve going up and in underneath the chin. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw on the arm. Let's start halfway between the chin and the hip. So starting right here, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to add in the thumbs. Starting from the wrist, we're going to curve in and out with a small half circle, close off the end with a bracket. And now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we curve down and then up around that bracket, step down, go out and up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go halfway along the inside of the arm, add the edge of the glove. We're going to curve up and then out, line this up on the right. And I'll move up to the top and draw on the cape. Let's start from the top of the body. Just going to drape this down and then out towards the side of the arms. And then we're going to line up the outside of the cape underneath the finger, curve down and then out, line this up on the right. And then we'll connect these 2 points with a curve going in behind the legs. So we'll start on the left, come down, bend that in. And now we're going to move back up and finish off the hair. Let's start on the left side of the head at the very top, curve the hair going out, and bend that in. Line this up on the right, going out, and then in. Let's curl the hair going back out. So we blend into a curve going out on both sides. And then we'll add some texture along the bottom. Starting back on the left, come down, and then bend that up. And then from the bottom of that curve, come down and in behind the arm on both sides. And that's pretty much it. There's Wanda from Wandavision. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.